So open up, you'll see that these ones are labeled PowerPoint, and this is the PowerPoint icon. So if you want to edit these in PowerPoint, you would just pick on these ones and you're all set. And you can see in this pack, we've got A4 size and then the letter size. Now, if you want to go and use the PDF, and now this is our PDF here, and you can see this is our instruction. And then we've just got some, instructions for use in here and a terms of service page if you get stuck with anything. So what you want to do is you're just going to click on this link, and now you can see that it says copy of my Halloween activity, free images, and they may vary from the PowerPoint one. So they're not edits that you want to do. And then when you're done, you would click the share, you want to download, and then you want to come to